Hello DocTree family, we hope you are well and watching our videos. This video clip is being shared by one of our avid viewers residing in the North Nazabad area of Karachi, Pakistan. He bought a couple of small seedlings from DocTree Gardening a few months back and now he is proudly boasting his amazing harvest. Let's see how you can easily grow lots of pepper or chili fruits on your plants just like him. While following strict watering schedule, and availability of sunlight is necessary, food for your plant is equally important too. I am sharing the link of the playlist of how to easily prepare fertilizers at home organically. These includes nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus and few others as well. Link is available in the description. Many new gardeners are scared of pruning as well. Pruning is simply pinching the top of the few stems. This small injury to plant reminds it to grow even more, while augmenting its speed of growth. Pruning is simply trimming of your plants. There are a number of benefits of pruning pepper plants. One of the benefits is that it will ensure more aeration of the plant. With more air passing through, it is less likely to get infected with any of the fungal diseases. Similarly, you may be able to get rid of the unwanted and diseased leaves and stems as well by simply snipping them away. This way you will also save the rest of the plant as well. When you remove smaller side shoots, the main stem becomes more powerful and sturdy, improving the health of the overall plant. Sometimes pruning also speeds up the ripening process of your fruit. Finally, the most attractive benefit for any gardener. Pruning also improves and increases the fruiting of the peppers. While stems and leaves are removed, the energy of the plant is directed to growing more pepper fruits than usual. If you learned from our video, then do press the like button and post your feedback in the comment section. In the description of this video, I am also posting the link to the playlist of all the videos being done by DocTree Gardening on chilies and peppers. Share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe DocTree Gardening channel for more of such informative videos on gardening, health, tourism, travel and cooking. It's me, Dr. Ali from the team DocTree signing off. Take care.